No matter how much effort you give, no matter how hard you work, people will always have something to say. Kahit ibigay mo na yung 100%, may question pa rin. May pupo na. Pero ito ang tanong, pipigilan mo ba yung sarili mo dahil lang sa opinion ng iba? Listen, people will always have their opinion. At their opinions don't build your dreams. Hindi mo sila utang na loob. Hindi mo kailangan ng approval nila para magtagumpay. Ang daming taong tumigil sa pangarap nila kasi mas pinakinggan nila ang ingay kaysa sa sarili nilang boses. But you're different. You know your purpose. You know your why. Kaya kung may sasabihin sila, let them talk. Huwag mong sayangin ang energy mo sa negativity. Focus on your growth. Focus on your goals. Dahil at the end of the day, hindi naman silang magsisisi kung sumuko ka. Ikaw. Kasi ikaw ang may pangarap. Ikaw ang may laban. And when you finally make it, when you achieve they thought you couldn't, alam mo kung anong pinakamagandang sagot? Success. So keep going, keep pushing, block the noise. Do it for you. Because one day, they won't have anything left to say. But congratulations.